home,
nyumbani,
house,
nyumba,
apartment,
fleti,
room,
chumba,
bedroom,
chumba cha kulala,
living room,
sebule,
bathroom,
bafu,
hallway,
corrido,
balcony,
roshani,
garden,
bustani,
backyard,
ua wa nyuma,
door,
mlango,
window,
dirisha,
floor,
sakafu,
ceiling,
dari,
wall,
ukuta,
stairs,
ngazi,
roof,
paa,
garage,
gereji,
parking,
maegesho,
fence,
uzio,
gate,
lango,
table,
meza,
chair,
kiti,
sofa,
sofa,
bed,
kitanda,
closet,
kabati,
shelf,
rafu,
desk,
dawati,
armchair,
kiti cha mkono,
mirror,
kioo,
lamp,
taa,